battery's dead. So we're gonna throw it on charge. We have the positive lead going on the positive terminal. Battery. And that's going kind of hard. Let's put that for now. Close this. Go grab this guy. Plug this guy in. Where's the end? That cable. Grab the end. Pull the end up here with me. As you can see, it's a cable end. And going to first battery. And what I'll do with this is I'll just hang it like here so it now we've been having issues out of this van here. I think the distributor, the coil inside the distributor is bad. I can't demonstrate that right now because the battery is totally dead. But if you hear it crank, key's still in it. Yeah. The light's still on. Okay. That's weird. Put it on 50 amps. Put it on 50 amp draw right now. So. Oh, sorry. Have to grab key. And cranking it. Does nothing. We plug this little kind of like checking this light thingy. OBD02, and it will scan the, well, I need to be. And it will scan the vehicle. And we got a P1320, which I know what it means, and a P. So there's two P13s. P1320. That means, and I'll have to look at the book and put it in the description what it means. But there's two of those codes coming up. It is a 2000. Oh no, it's a 99 Nissan Quest. There's that. It's a 2000 Nissan Quest. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll probably give an update as soon as I can give you an update on it.